HubSpot just came out with this new feature that's super flexible, super dynamic, and I thought I'd just show it off here. It's basically custom display logic, like conditional logic they call it, for all the cards in your layout, which is super helpful. To show off as an example, let's say this person is a car, primary transportation. It's going to dynamically show, move you over here, the attributes: Ford, car, make, mileage, it's owned or leased. Yeah. And if I change it back, go bicycle, go away. How cool is that? What that basically shows is that we can choose the information we want to rise to the top of the contact layout and also get rid of the stuff we don't want to see, which is really, really helpful. Where do we find that, Ryan? I hear you scream. Well, I do ask. You click on Customize, the default view. See, there's a couple I've done here already, but what you basically do is click on these three little dots here, and you go on Edit Conditional Logic, and you can say, you can specify exactly what you want to see. So this is the car one I showed off earlier, but you can also apply it to associations and deals, reports. Like, I just want to show you, wait, this. Let's see, new card, activities. All of these can have conditional logic on them. It's super helpful. Association tables, data highlights, reports. So if you can say, let's find one, like a stage tracker, like if it's important to show what stage that customer is on, you can choose to dynamically raise that to the top or hide it based on certain attributes. Super helpful. So let's just make it. Let's do associated companies again. Association card. Let's choose. So we've got a bunch of ones in here. I'm just going to do companies for now. All right, company name. What else do we want to see? Revenue. Employees. And also address. Why not? Click save. So that's just the normal, that's just standard HubSpot. The big deal. So if you click here and set conditional logic, so you can find a property that matches up. Let's say primary associated company. What else do we have? Yeah, that'll do. Primary associated company. And it is known. And then show it off. I'm going to get rid of the awkward too. So that's, I'll show you how that one works first. Save and exit. So it's going to show the primary associated company here. But also importantly, if it doesn't have any, it will hide itself too, and it will save you so much extra real estate on the layout, which is super helpful. I also made one, forgive me if I'm retracing, with Salesforce Sync as well. This one is helpful because not a lot of the time contacts have Salesforce records. So super simple, just make a conditional logic that says, if they have a contact ID, like if contact ID is known, then show it off, which is kind of the opposite of saying, if it doesn't have it, hide it, which is really helpful because it saves you a bunch of good, important real estate on the contact layout. You can also apply that to companies, deals, tickets, any of the other objects as well, which is really helpful. So yeah, that is how it works. I hope you find use for it in your company, but isn't it fantastic? All right, have a good one. Thank you. Bye.